Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you everyone? I hope you are in a good condition. Okay, my name is Misbar and today we are going to talk about language in communication. And I hope after watching this video, I hope you are able to know and understand about the way of human and animal communication in non-linguistic communication. So let's get started. Human beings learn to communicate with each other through non-linguistic means as well as linguistic ones. A message may even be contradicted by the accompanying tone and gestures. For instance, "You are really beautiful" can mean the opposite of any literal interpretation. This is the fact that although language undoubtedly plays the central role in the total process of communication, other parts of the process must be explored if the ultimate goals in comprehensive description of how human beings communicate with each other. First, we are going to talk about non-linguistic human communication. There are three parts that you have to know in non-linguistic human communication. That is paralanguage, kinesics, and then proxemics. Paralanguage is the area of nonverbal communication that emphasizes body language and voice as means of expressing through the feelings. Paralanguage may be expressed consciously or unconsciously, and it includes the pitch, volume, and in some case intonation of speech. We use paralanguage when we gasp, sigh, change our tone, whisper or shout, and emphasize certain words. Or when we frown or smile, laugh or cry, string vocal identifiers like ah and ah between our words or speak fast or slower. Next, kinesics. Kinesics is the broad field of nonverbal communications solely concerned with the interpretation of nonverbal behaviors that are associated with body movement, gestures, postures, facial expression, and eye contact. Kinesics is most closely connected with what is popularly referred to as body language. Kinesics is in fact a scientific study of body language. And the last is proxemics. Do you feel uncomfortable when someone stands too close to you? Do very bright colors in a room make you feel distracted? These questions are important to study of proxemics. Basically, proxemics is the study of space and how we use it, how it makes us feel more or less comfortable, and how we arrange objects and ourselves in relation to space. The term was coined by the anthropologist Edward Hall. Hall was interested in understanding how humans use space in communication. Okay, and now we are going to talk about animal communication. There are 2 points that you have to know in animal communication. The first is intraspecies communication and interspecies communication. The example of intraspecies communication is produced by birds. Bird song sounds very pretty to us, but they are often signals to other birds that they are not welcome in that area. The songs can be used to defend territories, to contain food, shelter, and breeding areas. And next, the example of interspecies communication is when people try to teach language to chimpanzees. The behavior acquired by the chimpanzees is language-like but not language. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.